Good morning, sir. My name is Rosalinda Marie B. Ballesteros, and I am going to discuss the major functions of the special senses. The human body has two basic types of senses, called the special, which has the specialized senses organs that gather sensory information and change it into nerve impulses. It includes the vision, for which the eyes are the specialized senses, hearing, balance, taste or tongue, and smell are the nasal passages. And the general senses, in contrast, are all associated with the senses of touch and lack special senses organs. The principal function of the special sensory receptors is to detect environmental stimuli and transduce their energy into electrical impulses. These are then conveyed along sensory neurons to the central nervous systems, where they are integrated and processed, and a response is produced. This is the first sense of touch. The ability to sense pressure, vibration, temperature, the pain and other tactile stimuli which are detected by mechanoreceptors, thermoreceptors, and nociceptors all over the body, but most noticeable in the skin. Sense of touch allows you to tell if something is hot or cold, dull or sharp, rough or smooth, wet or dry. The skin is packed with many senses receptors. Each type responds to different sensations. The most sensitive parts of your skin have the most touch receptors in them. Your fingertips, lips, and toes are all very sensitive. Next is sense of vision or sight is the ability to sense light and see. The eye is the special sensory organ that collects and focuses light and forms images. Our brain also has role in our vision, for the optic nerves from both eyes meet and cross just below the bottom of hypothalamus in the brain. The sense organ for vision is an exquisitely involved biological instrument for turning light into the brain's language of electrical signals. Next is sense of hear. Hearing or auditory is to sense sound waves, and the ear is the organ that sends sound as the sound waves enters the ear through the ear canal and travel to the eardrum. Hearing is a mechanical sense. It is turned physical movement into the electrical signals that make the language of the brain, translating these vibrations into what we experience as the world sounds. Next is sense of smell. Taste and smell are both abilities to sense chemicals. Taste receptors are found in tiny bumps on the tongue called taste buds. Smell and taste are the oldest of the senses. The molecules that activate the sense or smell are airborne. They enter the body via the nose and mouth and attach to the receptor cells that line the mucous membranes far back in the nose. Sense of taste. The gustatory system or sense of taste is the sensory system that is partially responsible for the perception of taste. It is perception produced or stimulated when a substance in the mouth reacts chemically with taste receptors, cells located on taste buds in the oral cavity, mostly on the tongue. The taste buds are the organ in the tongue that register taste and are located around what we know as gustatory papillae. Our sense of taste deteriorate with age. And that's all. Thank you. I'm Rosalinda Maribel Ballesteros from PSE Block 1.